Okay, so right now I'm at South Park and I'm gonna chase a bird. Let's see how this works out. Let's go. Oh my god, this is scaring me. I don't know which one I want to chase. There's so many. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, okay. Whew. Look at that. That's just creepy right there. Oh god. Okay. I'm scared. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god. Okay. You could come chase a bird at South Park, right? God, that one's eating a piece of pizza. What the crap? Who leaves a piece of pizza in the park? I'm scared. Oh god. Look at that, that's just creepy. There's like so many. Oh god. I'm scared. I don't want to disturb them too much. But then again, I want to chase one. I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. This was a great chasing of birds since I didn't even chase a bird. That was creepy. Okay. That's just creepy. There's like a bunch of them right here. Like just sitting there. There's our ducks though. The other ones are like geese. Oh god. Okay, I have to chase this one. Oh no, that's scary. There's like a bunch of ducks. You ready? Let's go! Chase it! Oh god! Chase him! Dude, what the crap? Let's go chase some more. I'm scared. I want to chase a bird. Okay, let's go.
Now, I am telling you, get down here. Now.
Maddie started it.
No, I was just sitting up here.
Sam, come on. I'm not going to bring you back to see the ducks.
Those are so cool.
Let's go.
Just sitting there.
Samuel John,
Bye-bye, little birdies.
listen.
Bye-bye. Okay.
One brake is on. That's it. This is not where you need to be.